grow here and we can grow there. You can find us everywhere. Hard stop, there's not much defense. You can try it though at your own expense. It's all you need. We make good ground cover. Just leave us be and you might soon discover. Not keeping an eye and watching us grow. Before you know it, yeah, we're spread high and low. Weeds. We're wild, wild weeds. We can carry loads of seeds and scrounge for all our needs. The wild, wild weeds. Yeah, let's get wild.
All right.
Now.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, man.
We don't need much water to stay alive. Even in a drought, we're still thrive. We can make do with what little we get. A small spot in the soil and we're all set. We don't mind the crowd, we mingle fine. Good to see us in your yard is sure a bad sight. Like to infiltrate all over the place. Crowd the others out and take up their space. Weeds. We're wild, wild weeds. We can carry loads of seeds and scrounge for all our needs. The wild, wild weeds. Chickweed, clover, dandelion, and crabgrass, goosegrass, nutgrass, right on you go fast. Bindweed, creeping Charlie, mighty kudzu, growing in your yard if it's to bother you. Goldenrod and ragweed may give you a sneeze. Lots of weeds release the seeds and let them float in the breeze. Yeah, take that. When you look at your lawn and see us, you won't smile. Just give us an inch and we'll take a mile. You try to treat us bad and make us go away, but then when you're not looking, we'll be back someday. Another time, another place. That's a fact. We don't follow in no weed left behind act. Cause every living thing in nature deserves its own spot. We just happen to want a heck of a lot. Weeds. We're wild, wild weeds. We can carry loads of seeds and scrounge for all our needs. The wild, wild weeds. Yeah, let's get a little wild here.
Yeah. Right. All right, man.
We can be beneficial and we can do harm. We can be in your garden or on the farm. We can even be edible, using medicines too. We can make a great habitat for an insect zoo. You can reach down and try to pull us out. You think we're gone? Yeah, you have no doubt. But underneath the ground and all that ground, the seeds and roots left behind. See you next time. Weeds. We're wild, wild weeds. We can carry loads of seeds and scrounge for all our needs. The wild, wild weeds. The wild, wild weeds.
Now appearing in a lawn near you.
The wild, wild weeds. See you around, man. Weeds rule, man. Yeah. Hey, look there. You got some growing pains out there, man. You think we're gone? We're doing on to a little weed wave here.